Diagnostic Group Incorporated, Prime Medics, Grepcore Diamond, J&J Medical Equipment Trading and Services, AMI Equipment Services and Solutions Incorporated. We also have Allied Hospital Supply International Corp., Medical Test Systems Incorporated. For our fun run sponsors for today, we have Pocari Sweat, Fitbar Philippines, Cosmo Philippines, Sense and Memories, Histocare Solutions, LabMate Pharma Incorporated, Quinces Pharma and Medical Supplies Trading. We also have Gets Bros Philippines Incorporated, Bolaba Trading Incorporated, Zapphire Distributors, Everlife Lifeline Diagnostics, and thank you so much to Figaro Coffee Group, Figaro Coffee Shop, Angel's Pizza, and Thank you so much again.